Malacanang finds Vice President Sara Duterte's announcement of her 2028 presidential bid irrelevant, saying government leaders should focus on solving the country's problems. At a briefing on Friday, February 20, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro was asked whether the palace views Duterte's announcement as a way to gauge who remains on her side and who is staying with the Marcos administration. Castro emphasizes that there is no need for Filipinos to be divided.
Ang ganyan pong pananaw, hindi po ito ang pananaw ng palasyo. Irrelevant po ang pagdedeklara ng Vice Presidente na siya'y tatakbo bilang Pangulo. Bakit irrelevant? Hindi po yan ang nakikita ng Pangulo sa ngayon dahil hindi po kinakailangan magwatak-watak ang Pilipino.
She notes that the Marcos administration needs unity to boost the economy, address flooding, and increase employment.
Ang mga kababayan na po natin, lalo na po yung mga leaders at mga public servants, hindi po dapat nagkakampihan sa ngayon. Ang kailangan po ng Pangulo ay ang pagkakaisa upang maiangat ang ekonomiya, masolusyonan ang issue sa baha, maiangat ang employment rate ng ating mga Pilipino, ng ating mga kababayan. Yan po ang dapat na inuuna na solusyonan ng ating gobyerno. At ang pagkakampihan, hindi po ito napapanahon.
She also responds to the statement of political scientist Antonio Contreras. Contreras said that if the elections were held today, a Marcos-endorsed Leni Robredo presidency could defeat Duterte.
So ang lumalabas sa opinion ni Professor Antonio Contreras ay ex or former VP Leni versus VP Sara. So ang lumalabas ay aksyon versus bakasyon, nagtatrabaho versus hindi nagtatrabaho, pro-Philippines versus not pro-any country, suhesyon na igagalang, patawad, pero hindi napapanahon.
Duterte on Wednesday, February 18, declared that she will run for president in 2028. She also apologized to the public for supposedly helping Marcos win the presidency by partnering up with him.